Jonathan, what are you making now?
We're gonna do a Rage Your Fridge style Pasta Aglio Olio. I've got some broccoli I found in the fridge, the sun-dried tomatoes. Let's take some olives. We love Kalamata olives in this house. We're gonna take some of those and we'll rip those in half. We're gonna put some of these artichoke hearts with the olives because we're gonna add those a little bit later. Let's chop up this garlic. We'll chop up these shallots. Am I making an authentic something or other? Probably not. Is someone's nono gonna roll in their grave? Probably. But let's have some fun here, you know? The water is coming up to a boil. We're gonna salt it shortly. We're not gonna add the salt earlier because by adding it when it's just about to boil, that salt is gonna distribute itself quickly, evenly, effectively, and we like all the Lees. Effectively, evenly, Bruce Lee.
Bruce. So
let's chop up some shallots. Layering this flavor. We're gonna leave the garlic in big chunks. This way the garlic's gonna stick to the pasta. Our mise en place is done. We've got everything we need in its place. We've got a hot pan. The pan is getting hot. We've got water that's almost ready to boil. We're not gonna be smoking it too much. We got a good glug, 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 glug of olive oil in there. Let's get our sizzle action going. We're gonna turn the heat right down. A little chili flakes for you, sir?
Oh yeah.
Let's use some fresh chili in here. Let's give it a nice zing. We'll pick up the seeds. There we go. That's for the spice lovers out there. Then this oil that came with sun-dried tomatoes. In you go. So this is going nicely. I think we're gonna tuck in our grape tomatoes here into there so those start to break down. Those are beautiful and ripe. So let those have a little bask in the oil. So the tomatoes are also going to add a nice layer to our sauce. We can go in with the sun-dried tomatoes as well. Get those flavors spreading their wings. Our pasta water is ready to season. So let's take a few big glug glugs of salt. Remember, not all that salt is going into your food. A relatively small amount. And it's important to season along as you're going here. So with long noodles, take them and give them a twist. This way they fall all the way around the bowl, or the pan, or the pot, whatever you're doing. So I've used about 250 grams of pasta here. Let's take, you can hear the oil is bubbling away. Hey look, our garlic's not burnt. We can continue with the next step. Let's hit it with a little olive oil. No, this is some vino. A little wine. The wine's gonna give it a little bit of acidic notes. It's gonna give it some flavor as it reduces, and it's gonna be wonderful. So we're gonna get a timer on for 10 minutes. Let's see here. And we're going to continue to cook this sauce down. We got our broccoli, that's gonna go in now. The pan is off, so when we turn the pan back on, that's gonna come back to life, but it's beautiful. Look at the colors. It's like party in the pan, and everyone's invited. So we're gonna make sure we add some of this water into there. There you go. And then because it's al dente, we have an opportunity here to just cook it a bit further. We're gonna crank up the heat. That sauce is gonna start to stick to our noodles a bit more. Oh yeah, it's drying out a touch at the bottom. So because we have our pasta sauce, our pasta water in a reserva, there you go. So we'll take this off of the heat now. Continue just to move it around. We want to take it off the heat and add some of the Parmigiano Reggiano right now. This way it won't clump. Just gonna turn it nice and saucy. Look at that. So with the long pasta, just scoop it all up. Twirl that into the middle, give yourself a whack whack, finish it with some Parmigiano Reggiano, a couple leaves on top,
Wow.
and there you have it. A beautiful, quick and easy pasta. What do you guys want to learn how to cook? Leave comments below in the comments section. We'll name you by name if we cook what you want. We did something for Karen, something for Laura, and I think Jordan might be coming next.